All right, let's get into it. Choosing the right spot for your easy open lid production line, it's non-negotiable. You've got to think big. Proximity to major transportation routes like highways, railways, or ports is a must for streamlined logistics. Companies like Ball Corporation? Oh, they've nailed this, strategically placing facilities near raw material suppliers and hubs. The result? They cut transit costs by a whopping 20%. Impressive, right? But there's more. You're going to need a solid workforce. Locations like the Midwest in the US or Southeast Asia are gold mines. In 2023, metalworking plants in these hotspots reported 15% higher productivity. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. Scout for tax breaks or energy subsidies. They're like finding free money. Now let's talk utilities. Your site has to handle the heavy-duty energy needs of machines like stamping presses or curing ovens. For a mid-tier production line consuming 500 kilowatt-hour per day, robust power grids and backup systems are your lifeline. If you skimp here, downtime will chew through your profits faster than you can say, oops, gearing up with top-tier equipment. Next up, equipment. Listen, investing in high-quality machinery isn't just smart, it's downright essential. A 200-ton precision stamping press, that's your ticket to flawless lid shaping and reducing material waste by up to 12%. Companies with this kind of gear see 30% fewer defects per batch. That's not just good, that's game-changing. And hey, don't sleep on your coating line. Modern electrostatic spraying systems deliver FDA-compliant, even, and durable coatings. Just ask Crown Holdings. They boosted production rates by 18% in 2022 with cutting-edge tech. Efficiency, speed, safety, these aren't just buzzwords, they're your winning formula. Finally, automation. Robots and smart sensors aren't just cool, they're your secret weapon. Slash downtime by 25%, eliminate human error, and pump out 100,000 lids a day like it's nothing. Skimping on equipment? Rookie mistake. Go big or go home. Securing the supply chain like a pro. Now let's talk supply chain. This is your production line's lifeline. Start by locking down reliable raw material providers. Aluminum sheets with a consistent thickness of 0.25 millimeters are the industry gold standard. Why? They ensure top-notch performance during high-speed stamping, cutting defect rates by 15%. Next up, distribution. Ever heard of JIT, just-in-time delivery? It's a game changer. Top manufacturers like Rexam keep only 3 to 5 days worth of inventory, slashing storage costs by 20%. Add real-time tracking to this and you'll leave competitors still stuck on spreadsheets in the dust. And partnerships? Choose freight companies specializing in fragile, high-volume goods. Predictive analytics? Logistics pros swear by it. It's boosted delivery reliability by 18%. One delay can cost you thousands, but with the right moves, you'll stay ahead of the pack. Trust me, this is how pros play.